Hi friends, in this video we are going to solve a problem which connect Bragg's law and de Broglie wavelength. Okay, before going to the problem, I will just recap you the formula of Bragg's law and de Broglie wavelength. So let's see. Bragg's law gives the formula 2d sin theta equal to n lambda. 2d sin theta equal to n lambda. Here n is order of reflection order, and here d is the interplanar distance. Interplanar distance means if there is a plane of crystal, then small d is this distance is small d. Okay, clear? Okay. Let's move to de Broglie wavelength. According to de Broglie, he given de Broglie wavelength lambda, which is equal to h by p. Here h is all you know, Planck's constant. Its value will be 6.626 into 10 power minus 34 joule second. And here p is momentum. Once you note this as we can write p as root 2m into kinetic energy. Okay, so from this we can write lambda equal to h by root 2m kinetic energy. Okay, sometimes in some problems, in some specific problems, we will use this. We use this also in some particular cases. Okay, so now we move to our problem in this video. Okay, here the question: a beam of monoenergetic neutrons corresponding to 27 degrees Celsius, okay, is allowed to fall on a crystal. The first order, okay, so order is first order reflection is observed at an angle 30 degree. So angle is given 30 degree. So the question is calculate interplanar distance. Okay, so basically the problem is to find d. Okay, from first we write the Bragg's law equation, that is 2d sin theta equal to n lambda. Okay, so here we need d, so we will write d is equal to n is 1, so n is 1. Here order is 1, so n is 1, so this going to be 1, so d equal to lambda by 2 sin theta. Okay, here we know theta is 30 degree, therefore sin theta is 1 by 2, right? Yes, so it become d equal to lambda by 2 into 1 by 2. This become this 2 and this 2 will cancel out, then it become d equal to lambda. So we reach here d equal to lambda. So next task is find out lambda. Okay, so de Broglie wavelength, de Broglie wavelength of neutron. Okay, okay, lambda de Broglie wavelength, we know lambda equal to h by p. We already said that p, we can write p as root 2m into energy, h by root 2m e. Okay, here we can replace e by k b into t. B is Boltzmann constant, and T is the absolute temperature, kBT. Okay, so our lambda become lambda equal to h by root 2m into kb into T. Okay, so here it is given T equal to 27 degrees Celsius, so in Kelvin it becomes 300 K. Okay, so substitute these values. H is 6.626 into 10 power minus 34 and root of 2 into mass of neutron. Here mass of neutron, it may be given in the question. It is given in the question. M is 1.6 into 1.67 into 10 to the power minus 27 kilogram. So put that value, 1.67 into 10 to the power minus 27 into kb. Kb is, we know, 1.38 into 10 power minus 23 into 300. Okay, so use the calculator and find out the value. Okay, the final value become this value. Final value become 1.78 angstrom. 1.78 angstrom. So we got lambda equal to 1.78. We know D is lambda, so D is equal to 1.78 angstrom. Angstrom is 10 power minus 10 meter. So this is the final answer. Interplanar spacing is 1.78 meter. So I hope it is clear. If you have any doubt, then please ask in the comment section. If you want video of this kind, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you once again.